It's basically bendable natural stone. Hello, welcome to another Landscaper Talk topic. So one thing that's just come across the merchant I used desk recently is a product from Wildstone, which is essentially a stone veneer system but in panels. So I'll just read the description to you so you get a better idea of what it is. So the product itself is called Decorativo. I think I'm pronouncing that correctly. Decorativo is an ultra-thin veneer made from 100% natural stone with a thickness of just 2 to 3 mil. Decorativo can be used in both flat and curved surfaces. Sheets are produced by peeling a thin layer from a large block of natural stone. This process enables thousands of sheets from a single block, maximizing the precious natural resources and innovative stone typically seen as strong as unbreakable to bend and to be utilized in ways previously unimagined. Basically what that means is basically a thin veneer of stone that's bendable, although it sounds a bit hard to believe. So it's 2-3 mil thick, and I suppose you can bend it around curved walls or strange angled walls, and it's in one sheet. So I believe the sheets come in 2.4 meters by 600 mil high. And from what I've seen of some of the images, most people laying them vertically, well, that's usually in an inside setting. I will attach some of the photos on here of stuff from their website. Most of them are internal, but they are branching out to external. I would like to see more external jobs done in them to see what they actually look like, and I haven't actually seen the product yet, not in person. But they are designed to look like natural stone sheets. Just for instance, I'm looking at some now which I'll pop up on the screen. Some copper metallic looking ones, more of an earthy forest look. You get some a bit more like volcanic sand type of thing. And all the way to your marble styles of veneers. Now, interesting, I mean, if you've got a small wall or a little planting and you want it to look like one solid piece of stone, then that's probably the best way to go for it, and the cost-wise. We haven't been told fully what the cost would be yet on these products. I'm hoping they're a decent type of price. One that would make it obsolete to do it in tiles, in favour of doing it in these sheets. I mean, one question I've got for it is if it is in a curved fashion, how do you secure it in place? Surely it's going to snap back in some way. I mean, perhaps it doesn't. I'm not entirely sure. And also, so you can attach it to many different surfaces. You can attach it to paneling, you can attach it to concrete walls. There are many different application methods, and it gives you a few application adhesives to use as well. I'd like to see this in person, and I would love to have a go with it, just to see how easy it is to apply. And one other question, does it warp? So if you lay it flat all the time and install it, say we have a bit of hot weather or snap cold weather, will it start warping in any way that will take it off the surface which you're adhering it to? So we'll soon see. I will post some of the details in the comments below as well, and I might even be able to get to speak to one of the reps at some point. I know the merchant I'm using are talking with them at the moment, so it'll be interesting to see what comes of that. And if I do get a sample, I will do a video of it to show what I think it looks like and what I feel about the product. Like I say, I'll put some product examples up on the screen as well, just so you can see what people have used it in. Tell me what your thoughts are in the comments below, and I'll see you next time.